My name is Dale Williams. I'm working for Carmarthen Council as a registered manager in the domiciliary care department. They call it home care. We support a number of individuals in the community in their own homes. Is that the relevant staff there attend on specific times. That could be 24 hours, 7 days a week, and really. The role is quite demanding, and really. It's overseeing that the rotas are up to date, then really. The people are attending at the correct times and the correct place. And when you think we got over 400 employees, it's quite a demanding task. Liaise with the commissioning department, liaising with the reablement, liaising with the hospital, discharge service. Also, we got two aftercare services that really I look over, and really so is managing the teams then, looking after the teams there, then really with help from my colleagues. Pretty clear with an open mind and really a lot of patience, and really you have good communication skills as well. And if you're good at talking, you'll be okay. I come from an engineering background. Well, I am. I am, and I still class myself as a toolmaker. I was an engineer before I left, and really I was doing electrical work. I'm a qualified electrician in the 16th Reg. I left there then to go to some local organisations then really, and here I ended up now really. So I started from my career as a part-time sport worker, worked my way up then in different roles, and really I'm a registered manager. So just, the learning curve was quite dramatic then really, but you're making a difference.